Okay. All right, so yesterday we left off, we went through the first document. So today we're going to pick it up where this is a map where the Defense Department is discussing the Soviet missiles out of Havana or out of Cuba and the length in which they could reach. They're getting this information with U-2 flights over Cuba. Now, however, what these missiles are called, they're called SAMs, they're surface-to-air missiles. All right, that's what's in Cuba right now. That's what's being seen. And they think the Cuban troops that are assisting here are numbers in the thousands. Okay, so now what you need to do is get your document B, because remember, you are a member of the executive committee. Now, that group is called XCOM. That group is Kennedy's closest advisors. They are the ones advising the president on this situation. So what I need you to do is to read the document, all right? And the president has asked you to assess 5 possible responses to document, top secret document B, which we're going to go through in just a second. Now, what I want you to do is prioritize these responses and give me the positive and negatives of each. Some are good, some are bad, and they got a little both on each side. So the first one, we ignore the missiles. The second thing is we initiate a naval blockade. That's going to prevent the Soviet ships from bringing in supplies.
Do you understand why I'm questioning?
We could invade Cuba.
Okay, I need to reword that.
We could launch conventional weapons, an airstrike with on the missile sites, or we could send someone to discuss the matter with Khrushchev, like a different type of advisor or somebody from the government to be able to work out talks to try to work it out with Khrushchev. All right? So now what I need you to do is sit down. You're going to take about 7 to 8 minutes. You're going to talk within your groups, and then we will come back and discuss a little bit about what you came up with.